This is a movie of global megastar trotting and walking along in his wheel. You can see the beautiful pattern and musculature of this cat. He really is nice. You're going to see a lot of this side, evidently. And he talks about it as he runs along. I was surprised when I got these wheels. I knew that the kittens would use them, but the adult males and the adult cats who had not been around them before just really acclimated to them quickly. Are you just going to talk about it, huh? Huh? Can you go the other way? No, we've seen plenty of this side. Here we go. We're going to go fast. You can see the rosetting on him. It's just amazing. I really, really love his head. Beautiful head on him. I like my wheel. I thought maybe I'd get a few minutes of photos of him. This is going on 2 minutes. Yeah. So there's Megastar. The other side looks very much like this as well.